Kendall. Hey guys, it's me again, Reza, and I'm back with another video. Welcome to the channel. So for today's video, we're gonna try to follow Kendall Jenner's everyday makeup look. So that is why I'm wearing this robe. Although hers is silk, I don't have a silk robe. That is why I'm wearing this cotton one that is too big for my life. So yeah, and I miss doing this, filming a sit down video. Also, we are filming with a different setup today, as you can see, because I'm too lazy to get out of my bed and film there. So we are here. And I also just got back from Bali. That is why I'm kind of tan. So okay, enough blabbing, let's get into the video. Or here, I'm not sure, whatever. So let's watch the video. Play.
I'm Kendall. I'm just gonna do my everyday makeup for you guys. You have to believe that I'm doing all of this myself. Double Wear Nude Estee Lauder. I don't really like to put too much on because I hate when I have like cakey makeup on.
Okay, so I don't have the foundation that she's using, so I'm just gonna use a different one. So maybe I'm just gonna use this. This is the Marc Jacobs Supercharged Foundation. So this is also really good. I'm just gonna use this. And then she used a brush, so I'm just gonna use a brush. Although I usually use a beauty blender, but since we're trying to follow Kendall, I'm gonna use a brush. So wait, what kind of brush is she using though? So I'm just gonna use this. This is the Fenty Beauty 110 foundation brush, and then I'm just gonna use this. Okay. I don't know why she likes using a foundation brush though. I hate using a foundation brush. Beauty blender all the way. I'm not really a Kendall Jenner fan. I mean, she's okay. Of course, she's really pretty, but I prefer Kylie. Okay, I think that's enough. I would have followed the Kylie Jenner makeup tutorial, but I think her makeups are way too hard for me to follow. I'm not really an expert, so okay. Good. Okay, what does she do next?
I've done my makeup.
So I'm just gonna use this one. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. So okay, so we are done with concealer. Okay, she's doing eyebrows now.
I usually pluck them. Sometimes I wax, but only under.
So I'm just gonna use this one. This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade dark brown. So this is the only brow pencil that I have, so I'm just gonna use this. I'm so not used to using an eyebrow pencil anymore. When I started with makeup, I used to use an eyebrow pencil, and then I shifted to the Anastasia pomade, which I think is easier for me. We are done. Not too shabby. Okay, moving on.
My favorite part. I kind of pinch it to make it even thinner. I learn a lot from being on set. What taught me most about how to do my own makeup is just my own face and finding out what looks good on me and what doesn't.
Okay, so she's doing bronzer now, and then she's just using a brush. So what brush am I gonna use? She's gonna use this one. My favorite bronzer, the Too Faced bronzer. Let's pinch it because that's what she did. And then
I usually just take my bronzer and do a tiny bit of eyeshadow.
so let me just get a brush. What brush am I gonna use? Why am I speaking in a different accent? Okay, so let's use this. This is the Morphe M573 brush. What does she do next?
I don't do a ton, and I'll do it like mainly at the root. I swear no one ever looks cute putting on mascara.
Okay, so she's applying mascara now. So I'm just gonna use this. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, continue.
I don't fully put lipstick on. I like take it and I like dab it. And then I dab it. Just to like enhance my own color. I like having gloss rather than just matte. And if I don't have gloss, I use like chapstick or something.
So maybe I'm just gonna use this. This is the Velvet Teddy.
And then I'm done.
So I guess we're done.
Me every day. Cool.
So this is it. This is Kendall Jenner's everyday makeup look. So
I don't really like to wait, so I'm gonna walk myself.
So thank you so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. You know the drill. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.